Every milestone has a story, and every story begins with a dream. 10 years ago, Tamira Aesthetics began its journey with a vision to enhance confidence through advanced aesthetic care and personalized treatments.
Tamira means magic. Every client who walks into the center expects some magical transformation, and that's why Tamira was born.
Our first anniversary marked the beginning of something special, a growing family built on trust, care, and transformation. By our 5th anniversary, we had reached new milestones, expanded our services, embraced innovation, and helped countless individuals achieve their aesthetic goals. Year after year, every success story, every smile, and every transformation inspired us to strive for excellence. Today, as we celebrate our 10th anniversary, we reflect on a decade of dedication, innovation, and unwavering commitment to our patients. This journey would not have been possible without the trust and support of every patient, every team member, and every well-wisher who has been part of our story. Thank you for being with us through the years. Here's to celebrating the past, embracing the present, and creating an even brighter future together.